Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your compadre Jeff Amon. I am out and about getting a espresso, and I just wanted to talk to you. I was listening to a podcast just a minute ago from a guy that I listened to. His name is Frank Kern, and he was talking about the importance of momentum in your business. And I started to think about the momentum in my business and how it has progressed just every single month, every single day, actually. Everything has started to get easier, and I continue to get more sales than I previously did the month before, every single month. And that's because I'm building momentum, I'm staying focused, and that's it, guys. Once you get that momentum rolling and you start getting that income flowing in on a daily basis, you really gotta just self-destruct in order to not keep the ball rolling. If you're in the right company, if you're in the right business, of course. Because a lot of businesses, they go out of business, they cease to exist. And so if you're in something solid, stable, something that you can actually focus on and stay focused, you're going to start building momentum. All right, and that momentum is going to build on itself and build on itself. The hardest thing to get to per month is $1,000 per month. That's usually the hardest thing to do. And then after that, you've already got that momentum rolling, you've already got the money coming in to where you can reinvest a little bit into your business, and then it just keeps on getting bigger and bigger. And 95% of people online never ever get to $1,000 per month, but those that do, probably the vast majority of those continue to have success. So I just want to let you know that you need to focus and get that momentum going. And once you get that momentum started, it's not going to slow down, especially with something like the Prosperity Marketing System, where you're getting 100% commissions. It's residual income, so it comes in month after month. And also you're getting that leverage. Like, I'm making tons of sales per day just from the action of my team members. It's really easy to get to $1,000 per month with the Prosperity Marketing System. That's what I'm trying to say. And then from there, my God, it just becomes exponentially more easier to scale, get to $5,000 per month, then 10 grand per month, then 15, 20. The sky's the limit. All right, folks. So just wanted to shoot this real quick and let you know that you need to get some momentum going. Once you have that momentum flowing, it's going to be hard to stop you. All right. Have a good one. Bye-bye.